Hi everyone, it's Linda here from Banjo's Bead House, and welcome to What's in the Box for our June 2026 Bead Inspiration Box. So this month it is a stone featured image that started off as the inspiration point, and it was a lovely green stone. Now, green's not my usual color palette, so that was a fun challenge, and I took and ran with that. And with this particular box, we focused on Amazonite as our featured stone, drawing from the lovely green properties of that. So let's take you through the box. So this is the inspiration graphic that I started with. It was a piece of Amazonite. I loved all of the mixed color tones that came through this, and that really did inspire the project for the month, which was this wrap stone bracelet using Amazonite. Around some leather and this cute Tree of Life button to create a fun little wrap bracelet. So, a great project if you'd never actually created one of these before. They are a lovely unisex gift and a great way of using up either leftover stones or fun little beads you've got lying around. So, what was in the box? Well, as always, you got our little insert with the tease as to what was contained inside. You also then got the inspiration for everything that was contented and the QR code to access all of the project videos. So now I get to the fun part of what was in your little goodie bag this month. So we started with some Amazonite cylinder beads. So these are a fun little offcut, not quite round, not quite rectangular, kind of more octagony little pieces of Amazonite. So great for doing some earrings or some chunky pieces with. So looking forward to seeing what everyone came up with that. You have the leather cord. There is 2 meters of that for the bracelet project. There is a horse eye pendant. So again, easy, fun thing to turn into a necklace with a pendant focal. You have the first of the Amazonite in the box. This is a 6 millimeter straight round. This is more of the plain blue Amazonite versus the mix. So more sticking to the colors that you're seeing in that graphic that inspired the box. Something cute that we've never had on range in the shop. So looking forward to seeing what everybody thinks of these guys. Are these cute little 6 millimeter stars carved, they're actually beads carved out of Amazonite. So something a little bit fun and different. The second strand of Amazonite, this is 6 mil faceted, and this is in the mixed. So you are seeing some more of the different shades within this one. And the last of the strands in the box, this is what I used in the bracelet that you just saw. This is the 6 millimeter plain round, but it's a matte version, so it's not shiny, but it's got a lovely matty texture to it. So it gives it that aged leathery look, which I love. Then for components to make everything, you have your needle, the buttons, as I said, and some nylon thread, which is a new thread we were experimenting with for this box. And the last thing is another piece which we had never had on range before, but kind of inspired by the Van Cleef's Alhambra kind of design, is you have this little four petal flower as a bead in the Amazonite. So some lovely fun mix of stone pieces as well as your project for this month. So as always, if you purchase the box, thank you so very much. If you didn't, I hope it inspires you to take a look at one in the future. That is it for me for this time. I will see you on the next What's in the Box. Bye for now.